Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I'm doing this VR for Michelle's Makery. She's here on YouTube. I'll put her link below, so if you want to check her out. She's doing a giveaway and she's looking for just a few items. Actually more, you can just send this one. So she's looking for a card, like so. You'll get 1 point for the card. If you do something handmade, you'll get another point. If you send any extra goodies, you'll get a point as well. But she's really wanting it as flat as possible. She's not expecting anybody to send thick packages or anything like that because she is in New Zealand. So if you were just to send her a card like so, you'll get yourself into the entry. So her giveaway challenge is open till February 27th. It has to reach her by that date. It is open internationally, obviously. I'm from Canada, so I'm entering. And you have to be 18 years of age or older. If you can't send anything, as we know that's perfectly fine, please head on over to her channel and show her some love and support and just let her know that I sent you over. The max points you'll get for what you send will be 5. So I'm just going to share with you quickly what I'm sending. I'm putting it out in the mail tomorrow just to make sure it gets to her. We know it's going to take a little bit to get to New Zealand. So I have these handmade flowers using scrap bits. And I just put a paper flower on the inside. So I have that. I did a handmade card for her here, and I'll let her share that on her channel. I did a nice, simple little memory decks card. Just with one of those little foamy hearts that I got on AliExpress, and just says collect beautiful moments with on a little tag that's popped up. And I just like it that it's simple and all my information is on the back. This is not required or anything, but she does require you to make sure you have your address somewhere on the package, obviously, because she'd probably like to, send you something back. And maybe in the future. So this is what I'm sending her. I also have something in this package, but I'll just leave that for her to see and share on her video. So I hope you guys are able to enter. And again, if not, just go on over, subscribe to her channel and show her some love. And just remember, it only has to be a card. So super thin, one stamp. I know the postage is really super expensive now, but if you're able to, please do so. If not, just go on over and subscribe to her channel and show her some love. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.